everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we have a Protein World unboxing. This box is pretty huge and I kind of know what's in it, but you don't, so I'm going to show you what's in it. If you've been here for a while, you probably know how much I love the Protein World mug cakes, and there's some new little bits for me to try in today's video, and I'm just going to show you what I've got. If you've got any other recommendations, then leave them below, and if you would like to try any of these, then I do have a discount for you. Pretty sure it's 40% off. I mean, you're welcome, because that is pretty sick. I'll leave it here and I'll leave it in the description as well, so you can get yourself a bit of coin off, because we all have a discount. Here's the box. And we're just going to delve right in. Please make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Won't keep you waiting, and we're just going to open the big box. Also, ignore me with a jacket on. I'm actually quite cold, and I thought it's better than me just wearing a black top. Irrelevant. Anyway, so exciting. We're going to put the box here. Sneak peek. I'm not that strong. I love myself a protein pancake, so when I seen that they did a pancake mix, I was like, hell yeah. And someone I know has actually said to me how good these are. I will let you know, because I'm a big fan of the My Protein ones, but I'm pretty sure they stopped doing the flavour that I liked, or they just never have it in stock. This is double chocolate chip. If you know me, I have a huge sweet tooth, so this is probably going to be right up my street. I don't actually know if they are protein pancakes. I think I've just lied. Oh, they've got 8 grams of protein, not awful. 192 calories in a portion. I mean, if they look anything like that photo, I'm right there, because they look yummy. Stay tuned on my channel. I will probably give these a whiz at some point, and you can see how they turn out. I don't even know what you have to do with these. Add 4 scoops of pancake mix to milk and shake well, and then just do what you like. A great breakfast. I love pancakes, waffles, pastries. Sweet breakfasts are the best breakfasts, in my opinion. Next up, we have some slender granola. Oh, chocolate flakes flavour. Recently ran out of my protein granola, so I thought I would also give this a whiz. 183 calories a portion. I usually just have a sprinkle of this and then fruit and a nice bit of yogurt. So nice, especially in summer. There's nothing better than like a bit of yogurt and fruit in summer. Do you know what I mean? 50 grams has 6 grams of protein in, and 100 grams has 12 grams of protein in. I just think, love a bit of granola. It's a yummy breakfast, and the fact it's got chocolate in goes up in points. So hopefully this is nice. I would open it, but I'm not gonna, so sorry about that. What's the date like on this? Oh, best before April 2025. This is a hefty thing. This should last you a while, so yeah. Love that. They also gave me a selection of protein bars. I am very picky when it comes to protein bars. I just don't really like them. Nothing much more to say. They're just not great, are they? You know when they're like dead like dry in your mouth. But I mean, how cute is the packaging on these? So cute. We have salted caramel. I didn't even know Protein World has protein bars. But anyway, salted caramel, up my street. Chocolate brownie, up my street also. Is this Protein World branded? I don't know what brand these are. It just says slender. They must be. Plant-based protein with chocolate chips, and plant-based with peanut butter. I love these as like an office breakfast. I'm not one for getting up extra early to make a breakfast. I usually go gym on an empty stomach, then eat when I'm in the office. So things like this I'm all here for. Makes it easier to get your protein intake in as well, because trust me, I'm so bad for getting my daily protein in. I will report back on these. First impressions, the packaging's nice. Next up, like I said at the start of the video, I love myself a Protein World mug cake. So would it be an unboxing without one? No. My favourite mug cake is actually the red velvet out of all the ones I've tried up to yet, but this one is white chocolate flavour, and I love anything that's white chocolate flavoured. Not like white chocolate itself as such, but anything with like white chocolate chips in is delicious. I mean, how nice does that look? These are just such a good snack. I love a dessert. So when I'm trying to be a little bit healthier, then these are what I go for. I literally went through a stage where I had these every night for like a month straight. Yes, a good job to low calorie. They have so many flavours as well. So if this isn't up your street, I'm sure they'll have something. Honestly, the list is endless. They have like banana cake, birthday cake, obviously like chocolate, caramel, literally everything. And I want to try them all, and I hope I will at some point. Love white chocolate, so exciting. And something that I also am very picky about is protein, lost my words then, what's it called? Protein powder. My cupboard is full with protein powders that I just have so much left. Kind of got into the clear protein powders, but this is vanilla ice cream flavour. My favourite flavour of protein powder is probably just the vanilla, to keep it simple. And I mean, vanilla ice cream, I'm hoping this is good. So, you know, stay tuned to see if it is actually good or not. 160 calories. Oh my god. So 160 calories and 30 grams of protein. That's sick. That is so good. Okay, I need to get back in a routine of having this every day. I just hope it's nice. Please just pray for me. Proteinworld actually have a chocolate one, which I do really like. I don't really like chocolate powders, but it's dead like light and easy to drink. I usually just mix it with water, and that's just their plain chocolate one. Also really good to mix in with a bit of yogurt, you know, to get your protein up. I'm so excited to try this. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh shit. And we have a surprise. The last box that I got from proteinworld had a shaker in, and Lord knows I am completely obsessed. I'll show you because it is always next to me. It's like my child. I'm attached to it. It's literally just a plain black shaker. But the reason I love this shaker, and I hope they still have it, I don't know if they do, it has a handle on. Why do not all water bottles have a handle on? It's something so simple, but I love it. And my boyfriend's obsessed with it as well, and he wanted me to buy him one. Unfortunately, this isn't actually one, but I'll show you this in a sec. I just want to hype this girl up. I don't think I could ever change my bottle. Like, this is just something so simple, honestly. The littlest things please me, but you know when you like got so much in your hand and you're just like, whoa, yeah. Or like, I don't know, something about this handle, I've got feelings towards this water bottle. She's very, very precious to me. That's probably like my favourite thing ever. She can have a little moment there on the corner of the drawers. But anyway, this is a different shaker, and I own an embarrassing amount of shakers, but this is different. Look at her. She's so sleek, and listen, she's tin, like a flask. This is a very big shaker as well. It has the measurements up the side. It's just so like classy and sleek, this is. So obviously because it's tin, it's going to keep your drink a lot colder for longer. And I was like, where's the shaker in here? Here. So it's all in like one little compact thing. Buzzing for that. I don't know how much this is, but if you are on the hunt for a good shaker, I love how this is just all in one. And you don't have the noise of like, you know, shaking it in public and everyone being like, can she shut up? She is cute as well. Can't wait to try her. We've got a little family back there. So that is everything that I got from proteinworld this time. Stay tuned for a little video. I think I'm going to do like a get back on track with me, because Lord knows after Thailand I need to get back on it. The struggle is real. Might bring you along with me for like my next workout and what I eat in a day, trying to get back on track. You can do it with me. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you are shopping on proteinworld to use my discount down below. You are welcome, and thank you so much to proteinworld for sending me all of those products. One of my favourite brands to work with, I'm not gonna lie. I just absolutely am obsessed with this stuff anyway. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.